Hey everybody, Kyle here from Diesel Power Products, talking to our 17 to 24 6.7 Powerstroke people out there. Well, what I've got in front of me is the Fleece Performance Underbed Fuel Filtration System. It's got a lot of really cool features to it, starting with this housing you see right here. It is a billet housing, which is a huge upgrade from that prone to cracking plastic housing that you have in there. It's also got an upgraded filter here. This is a 4-micron filter, so you're also, again, going to get much more efficient filtration over that factory filter, and everything else you need, including the harness here in the middle to extend and plug into your water and fuel sensor. Now, a couple cool features. When you do go to purchase this item, if you live in a cold climate and you're worried about maybe anti-gelling or anything else, it does have the option to add a fuel heater and harness with this kit, so you can keep those fuel temps right where you need to prevent that gelling in your fuel system. If you want one of these or you have more questions on it, make sure you click the link in the bio or come check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.